Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you error on your device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So when you try to go into your Facebook and you want to go into the Marketplace and you cannot because Marketplace isn't available in your Facebook, what you can do is you need to actually check the criteria, or there is actually a criteria for you to be able to use the marketplace or to have an access to the marketplace in Facebook. So first, what you can do is make sure that your account isn't brand new, because Facebook only allows seasoned accounts to access marketplace to prevent scammers and malicious users. And also you need to make sure that you are over 18, or if you're not over 18 or you're not in a legal age yet, you cannot actually access or use the Facebook Marketplace. So Facebook doesn't allow anyone under 18 to access the marketplace, and also your region or country is supported supported by the Facebook Marketplace, because Facebook Marketplace is currently only available in around 70 countries. So just double check that yours is included. And you also need to check if your language is supported. So Facebook Marketplace only supports around 13 languages. So check whether you are using the right one. And then you also need to check if your Facebook is compatible. So Facebook has compatibility with all recent models of iPhone, Android, and iPad. So the Facebook application is no longer compatible with Android version 2.3 and older, or versions for iOS 7 or older. And you also need to have had your access revoked. So if you have violated any of Facebook's policies, you may have to had your access to marketplace revoked. And lastly, you need to check if your internet connection is down. So this one might be obvious, but just double check that you have access to the internet. This may catch you off guard if you are used to a stable connection. And then what you can do next is, if you have checked all of that criteria, is to simply update and check if there's an update available for your Facebook app. So tap into your App Store or Play Store if you're using an Android, and then check if an update is available for your Facebook. And then if there's an update available, just simply install it and then wait for it to be completed. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.